too long for something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive, we're leaving tonight. Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide. If worst comes to worst, I'll be Bonnie and you can be Clyde. We've got two hearts ready to fire and enough ammunition. A 62 hardtop DeVille with a 4-speed transmission. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of...
Okay, so it's a while later now. My battery died, so I had to take a break. I literally went and like toned my hair and like ate some food. So I'm gonna get back into cleaning because now it's getting kind of late and I need to get this done. So what I'm kind of working on right now, I thought I would explain it, is kind of going through some of Colton's clothes and getting rid of or putting away things that are too small and bringing out things that are bigger. I've showed you guys before, I have like bins and totes of larger clothes, and then his smaller clothes go into a bin, and then I go through that every once in a while and pack it up or donate things or sell things or whatever. So I'm kind of working on some of that. I did do his closet a few days ago, but I'm just going to go through it quickly again and make sure I didn't miss anything. And then right now I'm going to do his drawers. So in his drawers I usually have just like plain t-shirts. I used to have onesies, but he doesn't wear onesies anymore just because he moves too much when you get him changed. Pants, pajamas, whatever. So they're all in here. Just going to quickly go through those and make sure everything in there still fits him, and then I'm going to bring out some of his larger things. So we'll get back into it.
The white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave
like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, we will never walk alone. Used to be anonymous, now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird, tell the stories you have heard, and live your life today. It doesn't matter what they say. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, we will never walk. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, we will never walk alone. We'll never, never. Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, we will never walk. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, we will never walk alone.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love.